my Sarah, and today we are going to talk about a pool, and I once had a splash pool, and it was really fun playing in it. Although we played in there for a very long time, although I kind of enjoyed it. Me and all of my siblings played in the pool, and we played there. A few hours later, my father, Abba, brought in a trampoline and put it together. When I saw the trampoline put it together for the first time, I said, "Ibu, can I get out of the pool?" Then she said yes, so I quickly get dressed to dry, the hair bathe. Then I jumped on the trampoline. It was so much fun. And then my father was like taking a video of me. And then my two brothers wanted to jump on the trampoline as well. So I was like, "Okay, come and jump with me, but you have to dry, bathe, wear some clothes." And then so they did that. And it was so much fun jumping on the trampoline. Although I only like the part when I jump by myself on the trampoline. But jumping on the trampoline with my brothers is not so bad. And it is really fun when I jump. My cousin, I enjoy jumping with my brothers more because it's not that quiet. Because when it's quiet, I'm bored. I don't jump on a trampoline much. But when it's noisy, there's clapping, there's a little screaming. That's much better. I don't feel scared or alone. So I really like splashing in the pool, but I enjoy exercising as well because exercising is good for your body. And it's really good to exercise, but I still miss splashing in the pool. And I haven't been into a pool or bathtub for a few years now. And I'm still waiting for years, months, days, so that I can splash in the pool. So like and subscribe if you have a splash pool or pool. Which one? Also subscribe and like and subscribe. Thumbs up, hit the bell. If you like the splash pool, you thumbs up. If you like